Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Microsoft account sign-in problems. So I had this error when I was signing into the Microsoft Store. I'll show you how to fix this. Okay, first I want you to just come here, hit search, and just type in run, or you can press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open up the run dialog. And then just type in services.msc. Okay, and then hit here on OK, and this will open up your services. I want you to scroll down until you see right here around M, you should see Microsoft. And then we have this one, Microsoft Account Sign-in Assistant. As you can see, this one by default, it's set to startup type of manual, which is a trigger start. Just right click on it, then click on properties. Okay, change the startup type to automatic. Okay, hit apply, and then hit OK. And I want you to start it as well. So click on start. It will start it right here. As you can see, it is running. So now you can hit OK. And then just right click on it and just restart it just to be safe. And then you can open up your Microsoft Store again and it should be working. That's what fixed the issue for me. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button. Subscribe to Quick Fix.